Hi everybody, today's our topic is about planet. We already learned what are planets. Just tell me what are planets. Planets are celestial bodies which do not have its own heat and light, but it will lit the light of other stars. So I think you got what is a planet. Now you know what is a planet. How many planets are there? 8 planets. Ma'am will write which are the 8 planets. Okay, so with that clue you can study which are the important planet. So my very efficient mother just serve us nuts. Okay, from this we can study which are the important planets. So my Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets. So which are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the important planets. Planets are mainly divided into 2. It generally divided into 2 categories. First one, large low density and gas giant. Okay, first one, large low density and gas giant. Okay, made with gas. Second one, small rocky and terrestrial. Second one, small rocky and terrestrial. Okay, terrestrial. So first one, large low density and gas giant. Second one, small rocky and terrestrial. So ma'am already told you which are the important planets. First 4, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These 4 are smaller, rocky and terrestrial. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These 4 are small, rocky and terrestrial. Then ma'am told these 4. Okay, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These 4 are large, low density and gas giant. So I think children you got, ma'am this much only ma'am told. Planets are 2 type, divided into 2 categories. First one, large low density and gas giant, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, then next one, small rocky and terrestrial, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These 4 are small, rocky and terrestrial planet. Now we will study more about planet. Okay children, so first one, which is the smallest planet? Mercury. Which is the smallest planet? Mercury. Which is the largest planet? Jupiter. Largest planet? Jupiter. Second largest planet? Saturn. Second largest planet? Saturn. Okay, now we will look about Venus. Venus. Okay, which is the hottest and brightest planet? Venus. Hottest and brightest planet? Venus. Venus is also called Earth twin. Okay, which planet is called Earth twin? Venus. Okay, then which planet is called morning and evening star? Venus. Morning and evening star, Venus. Okay, which planet is also called blue planet? Earth. Okay, which planet is called blue planet? Watery planet? Earth. Okay, which is only habitable planet? Earth. Which planet is the third nearest from the sun? Earth. Okay, which is the 5th largest planet? Earth. Which planet is known as red planet? Mars. Okay, Mars is known as red planet. Which planet have ring? Saturn. Okay, all planets have rings. Okay, but Saturn's ring, it only visible. Is it clear, children? So ma'am told many point about planet. At least what ma'am told that you have to study. Okay. Now we will study more about Earth. So you know, children, Earth is also known as blue planet. Why our Earth is called blue planet? Because 3/4 of the Earth covered with water. That is why Earth is called blue planet. It is also called watery planet. Actually, Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. Third nearest planet from the Sun. And it is the fifth largest planet. It is the fifth largest planet. Which is, what is the Latin name of Earth? Terra. Latin name of Earth? Terra. Latin name? Terra. Okay, so ma'am told no, planets are mainly divided into two. Then ma'am told Earth actually it is small, rocky and terrestrial planet. Among these small, rocky and terrestrial planet, Earth is the largest planet. Among the terrestrial planet, Earth is the largest. 4 terrestrial planet ma'am told you. Among the 4 terrestrial planet, Earth is the largest planet. Is it clear, children? Okay. Now we will look what is the shape of the Earth. Earth is spherical in shape. So what is spherical in shape? Spherical in shape means, okay, slightly bulging. Okay, the shape of the Earth. You already maybe you learned which is the shape of the Earth. Okay, slightly bulging at the equator. Both sides you can see slightly bulging at the equator and flattened at the pole. Flattened at the pole. This is the shape. Spherical in shape. Earth is spherical in shape. So I think you got. Anyway, children, what about the distance of Earth from the Sun? 150 million kilometer. Okay, so distance of Earth from the Sun 150 million kilometer. 150 million kilometer. Actually, that is the distance of Earth and Sun. Distance of Earth from the Sun. 150 million kilometer. Now we will look, children, why Earth is called a unique planet. Physical characteristics of the Earth and its relative position to the Sun made it habitable. So what ma'am told? Physical characteristics of the Earth and its relative position from the Sun made it habitable. And Earth is the only planet in the solar system where human beings and variety of species exist. That is another reason. Okay, only one planet in the solar system having different types of species, human beings and variety of species exist. That is why Earth is called a unique planet. Another thing we can tell, the distance from the Sun is perfect for maintaining life. Okay, so ma'am already told you what about the distance from the Sun, 150 million kilometer. So the distance from the Sun, it is perfect for maintaining life. So ma'am is going to ask one question. If our Earth is very close to the Sun, what will happen? Oceans would dry up. You, ma'am already told you, our Earth is called watery planet or blue planet. 3/4 of the Earth covered with water. If our planet is very close to the Sun, what will happen? Every oceans would dried up. Okay. If another question ma'am is going to ask. If our Earth is very far away from Sun, what will happen? Every water bodies would have frozen. It will become frozen. Okay. So now no problem. Our position, relative position or the distance from the Sun, it is perfect for maintaining life. So our Earth is called a unique planet. And one more reason we can tell, our Earth is surrounded by a huge layer of air. Our Earth is surrounded by a huge layer of air. So we have air, okay, for breathing. Earth have life sustaining gases. okay, and earth have atmosphere. Atmosphere protect us from harmful rays of the sun. So many due to this all reason earth is called a unique planet. So ma'am told another thing, ma'am told earth have water. It is a watery planet. Water is there. Without water, how we will live? Without air, how we will live? Everything is there in the earth. That is why earth is called a unique planet. Our next topic is about moon. Okay, moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. So what is satellite? Satellite is a celestial body, okay, which move around or which orbit around a planet. That is called satellite. Satellites are human-made satellites are there and natural satellites are there. Okay. So what about moon? Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Okay. And some planets have multiple natural satellites. Some planets have many satellites. Ma'am will tell how many satellites have different planet. Saturn has 62 natural satellite or moon. Jupiter has 67 moons. Uranus has 27 moons. Neptune has 14 moons and Mars has 2 moons. Okay, so ma'am told about many moons. Among these all planets, which planet has more moons? Jupiter. Jupiter has 67 moons. Jupiter has 67 moons. That what ma'am told is clear. And which is the largest moon of Jupiter? Ganymede. Okay, Ganymede is the largest moon of Jupiter. I think it is clear to you. Anyway, what ma'am told, moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Then ma'am told some planets have multiple natural satellites. And ma'am told which are the how many satellites many planets have. Among this ma'am told which planet has more satellite. Jupiter. 67 satellites are there for Jupiter and Ganymede is the largest moon of Jupiter or largest satellite of the Jupiter. Then you know children, already you heard which is the only celestial body where humans have successfully reached moon. Okay, on 20th July 1969, Neil Armstrong, he was the first person, he became the first man who to step on the moon. Okay, so what ma'am told children, on 20th July 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first man to step on the moon. Okay, now we will look what about the distance of moon and earth. Actually its distance is 3,84,403 kilometer. 3,84,403 kilometer. 403 kilometer. Actually this is the distance between moon and earth. Okay, now we will look children. If we are observing the sky, we can see the moon. Okay, night time or the evening time, night time we can see moon. We can see only one portion of the moon from the earth. Do you know why only one portion of moon is visible from the earth? Because moon will take 27 days and 8 hours for completing one rotation. So how much time moon will take for completing one rotation? 27 days and 8 hours. Okay, every planet different motions are there. Okay, these two important motions of the planet, that is rotation and revolution, we will study in the next chapter. Rotation means, you know children, how earth will rotate. Earth will move its own axis, that is called rotation. Okay, for completing one rotation, how much time earth will take? 24 hours or 1 day. Okay, in the same way earth, ma'am told, earth will move its own axis, that is called rotation. While rotating time it will move around the sun, that is called revolution. For completing one revolution, earth will take 365 days and 6 hours. Otherwise 1 year. Okay, so rotation and revolution, every planet will rotate and revolution going on in every planet. Okay, in the same way moon also, two motions are there in moon also, rotation and revolution. So this only ma'am told. For completing one rotation, moon will take 27 days and 8 hours. Okay, for completing one rotation, and moon will take the same time for completing one revolution also. So what ma'am told? Moon will take 27 days and 8 hours for completing one rotation, and it will take the same time, okay, 27 days and 8 hours for completing one revolution also, okay, one revolution. That is why only one portion of the moon is visible from the earth. Okay, so I think you got, children. So question is there in your textbook, why only one portion of moon is visible from the earth. Now you can write, no children, why moon will take 27 days and 8 hours for completing one rotation, and it will take the same time for completing one revolution also. That is why one portion of the moon is visible from the earth. Okay. So which all are the points today we mainly studied? We studied about planets and some features of planet. Ma'am told 8 planet name according to their distance we studied. Then we studied about earth. Okay, some speciality of earth, some features of earth, why earth is called a unique planet. Then we started moon, okay, the natural satellite of the earth. I think today's topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, ask me. We will meet in the next class.